ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ മട്ടാഞ്ചേരിക്ക് അയക്കാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ അച്ചുക്കാൻ്റെ കട ഫോർട്ട് കൊച്ചി വരുമ്പോൾ അച്ചുക്കാൻ്റെ കട അതാണ് അവരുടെ highlight.
Meet Achukka, a man who's been serving snacks and stories in Fort Kochi since 1974. Welcome back to Serve Since, where we explore Kerala's oldest eateries and the stories they've been serving for generations. If you're hungry for a taste of authenticity, head over to Fort Kochi's Achukka Tea Shop. For those looking to skip Fort Kochi's trendy cafes, his street food spot is the perfect place to be. No ambient lighting, no pastel walls, and no selfie spots. So why do people keep coming?
അതിൻ്റെ ഫുഡിൻ്റെ മഹിമ കൊണ്ടിട്ട് ഏത് ടൂറിസ്റ്റ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഇവിടുന്ന് ഭക്ഷണം ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിച്ചിട്ടേ പോവുള്ളൂ.
Located right outside Fort Kochi's water metro station, Achukka's Tea Shop serves a variety of dishes.
Especially beef chaaps, mutton chaaps, meat, chicken, mutta, koi, all.
But the most famous of them all is this unique combination. Fresh, crunchy savala vada topped with steaming beef chops.
That's famous. So, we have beef curry.
The appams here are soft and the beef chops are tender. But what stands out in every bite is honest cooking. In an open kitchen, Achukka and his team of helpers make everything on the spot. Starting at 6:15 a.m., they cook things fresh and serve as per demand until they close for the day around 3 p.m. And the honesty here goes far beyond food. Like in many of Kerala's tea stalls, people gather at Achukka's to share candid conversations, be it sweet exchanges or bitter truths. For tourists, Achukka's Tea Shop is a must-visit on Fort Kochi's food trail. But spend a few minutes here and you'll realize that it's a lot more than that. The shop and the man behind it carries the entrepreneurial spirit that runs deep into Kochi's history. So if you're spending a lazy morning in Fort Kochi, pair it with some hot chai and crispy vadas at Achukka's Tea Shop. And before you leave, you would have gotten to know Kochi just a little better.